Hi everyone, welcome to the 234th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Tenzing, Department of History 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Solution 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Soundflix Audio Space Station Siliguri, one stop for all audio needs. The headlines this week. Geography students conduct Socio-Economic field survey in Swaraswatipur and Gajoldoba. Expert-led webinar held on advanced machine learning and AI trends. Indigo Airlines hosts cabin crew recruitment drive. Guest lecture explores language power and nationalism in India. Radio Solution joins Clean Sonada, Beautiful Sonada campaign. Women's Cell hosts lecture on menstruational hygiene and hormonal health. Freshers' Day generates much enthusiasm. Photo of the week. The news in detail. Siliguri. Geography students conduct Socio-Economic field survey in Swaraswatipur and Gajoldoba. Rajdeep Das, Geography Department, 5th semester, reports.
On 18 September 2025, the Department of Geography at Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized a socio-economic field survey, engaging 52 students and 5 faculty members in a hands-on learning experience. The team arrived in Swaraswatipur after 1 hour drive by 10 am, where students were divided into 5 groups to conduct household-level surveys. This immersive exercise allowed them to gather first-hand data on local socio-economic conditions. Following the study, the team proceeded to Gajoldoba. After a brief breakfast break, students conducted a second round of data collection in the bustling market area, observing patterns of commerce and community interaction. The survey concluded with a shared lunch at 2 pm, followed by a short exploratory visit to the surrounding landscape. The group returned to the campus by 6 pm, marking the end of a productive and insightful day that bridged academic theory with field-based realities.
Rajdeep Das reporting. Siliguri expert-led webinar held on advanced machine learning and AI trends. Anushree Rana, 5th semester, reports.
The Department of Computer Science and Applications, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized a webinar titled Beyond Basics, Advanced Machine Learning and AI Industry Trends for Future Professionals on 20th September 2025. The keynote speaker was Dr. Bevav Gandhi, Professor and Director of Faculty Development and Updation at Parul University, Gujarat. Drawing from his extensive academic and industry experience, Dr. Gandhi emphasized the practical applications of AI, highlighting current industry trends such as automation, data-driven decision-making, and emerging technologies shaping the future. He also guided students on the evolving career landscape in AI, outlining the essential skills and competencies required to thrive in this dynamic field. The session commenced with invocation moment and a welcome word by Vice Principal Sciences Father C.M. Paul, followed by an introduction of the speaker by Assistant Professor Mr. Subhajit Bose. The event concluded with a lively Q&A session.
Anushree Rana reporting. Siliguri, Indigo Airlines hosts cabin crew recruitment drive. Abigail Singh, Department of English, 5th semester, reports.
The Kolkata-based Emporium Group and India's leading aviation company, Indigo Airlines, conducted a cabin crew recruitment drive at Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri. The 17th and 18th September 2025 event drew some 120 enthusiastic candidates from across the eastern Himalayan belt, including Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Mirik, Kurseong, and Sikkim. The selection process included a group discussion to assess interpersonal and team dynamics, an online communication skill interview to gauge fluency and customer engagement, and a final medical clearance to ensure physical readiness for aviation service.
Abigail Singh reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri guest lecture explores language, power and nationalism in India. Christina Lepcha, Political Science Department, 5th semester report.
The Department of Political Science at Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri hosted a guest lecture on the theme Language and Politics in India, Production and Reproduction of Nationalist Diglossia, delivered by Ms. Sovna Khati, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, University of North Bengal. On September 19, 2025, this session began with an invocation by Father Dr. Saju Putisari, Vice Principal of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences, followed by an introduction of the speaker by Ms. Shraddha Limbu, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science. Ms. Khati's lecture traced the evolution of language discourse in India from the pre-colonial to the post-colonial period, offering critical insights into contemporary debates on linguistic identity and nationalism. Her presentation highlighted the complex relationship between language and power and how diglossia, where two distinct varieties of the same language coexist within a speech community, which continues to shape political narratives in India. The session concluded with a lively Q&A featuring active participants from the undergraduate and postgraduate students of Salesian College and the University of North Bengal. Mr. Sangam Khatani, head of the Department of Political Science, delivered the vote of thanks.
Christina Lepcha reporting. Sonada. Radio Salesian joins Clean Sonada, Beautiful Sonada campaign. RJ Sameer reports.
With the vision of Clean Sonada, Beautiful Sonada, a large-scale cleanliness drive was launched in Sonada on Saturday morning. The campaign began with clearing shrubs around the Shiv Mandir premises and was jointly organized by local residents, security forces, youth groups and social organizations. The initiative saw active participation from Sonada Police Outpost, Sonada Traffic Police, SU Run, Rajahatta Explore Group, Radio Salesian, Sonada Himalayan Homestay Association, as well as local youth and citizens. Special attendees included Sonada Outpost OC Yogesh Thakuri, Traffic OC Sabin Darnal, and Upper Sonada Gram Panchayat Pradhan Dawa Tamang, who emphasized collective responsibility and sustained efforts to keep the environment clean. Speaking on the behalf of organizers, SU runner Saran Kalu highlighted the need to stop careless waste disposal and assured that this campaign is just the beginning of larger, long-term initiatives for a cleaner Sonada.
RJ Sameer reporting. Siliguri, Women's Cell hosts lecture on menstruational hygiene and hormonal health. Diya Subba, Sociology Department, 5th semester reports.
The Women's Cell, in collaboration with the Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC, organized a special lecture titled Healthy Cycles, Healthy Lives, a talk on menstrual hygiene and hormonal health, September 18, 2025. The event began with a welcome note by student representative Abigail Singh, followed by an invocation led by Vice Principal, Arts and Humanities and Social Sciences, Father Dr. Saju Putisari. The keynote speaker, Dr. Anup Kharel, a distinguished gynecologist and obstetrician, provided a comprehensive overview of menstrual cycles, distinguishing between normal and irregular patterns, the health implications, and indicators for seeking medical attention. He emphasized the importance of menstrual hygiene, hormonal balance, and addressed common concerns such as polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS). His talk highlighted the role of lifestyle, nutrition, and exercise in managing hormonal health effectively. An interactive Q&A session allowed students to engage directly with the speaker, fostering openness and clarity on sensitive health topics. The program concluded with vote of thanks by Ms. Shraddha Sharma, acknowledging the speaker's contribution and the participants' enthusiastic involvement.
Diya Subba reporting. Sonada, Freshers Degenerates, Much Enthusiasm. Aliya Anjum, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 5th Semester reports.
On 20th September 2025, Salesian College Autonomous Sonada joyfully organized its Freshers' Day 2025, warmly welcoming the first-year students into the college family. The event featured vibrant cultural performances, enthusiastic participation, and moments of togetherness, reflecting the spirit of youth and community. The program began with the Mr. and Miss Freshers ramp walk, setting a glamorous tone for the day, followed by a prayer led by campus minister Father Pritam Barla, invoking blessings for the students' new academic journey. The cultural segment included an opening dance by the Salesian Brothers, an energetic performance by the Asta group, and a lively college band performance. Additional group dances by the sisters, Akriti group and the boys group brought charm and energy to the celebration and joy. Following the performances, the much-awaited selection of Mr. and Miss Freshers took place, featuring a ramp walk where the newcomers showcased their confidence, creativity and charm. The results of Freshers' Day were then announced in different categories. The top departments were: first, Department of Political Science, second, Department of History, and third, Department of English. The titles of Mr. and Miss Freshers were awarded to Adarsh Rai and Sweta Chetri respectively, both of whom are from the Department of Political Science. The day concluded with socials where students came together in joy, making a memorable close to Freshers' Day 2025.
Aliya Anjum reporting. Photo of the week. Salesian College Publications released 2 books on 18 September 2025. They are Partition-themed Salesian Journals and Updated Exams Policy 2025. Both publications are available in the library. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by Soundflix Audio Space Station Siliguri, one stop for all audio needs. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.